So if I'm going like this, he resisting, back up, boom, I just go backwards. You know how my head goes? It's not mysticism, it's just science. It's all it is just the way the body works. So what you're going to do, you want your elbow right, and like that. Okay, you're going to pull up and pull down. Oh, there we go. Right there. There we go. All right. Ready again. There we go. Try again. Oh, yeah, there we go. What I'm trying to demonstrate is, how old are you? And how much do you weigh, more or less? 84 pounds. 84 pound little 10-year-old girl is able to do this because all leverage doesn't require power or strength or big muscle. It doesn't require to be this great